Most people scroll, you're here to build. And today you'll learn one of the most important automation skills in the AI world, Zapier. It's how you turn ideas into income-generating systems. No code, no dev team, just logic and tools. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how Zapier works and help you build your very first automation, step by step. Zapier is like a digital middleman. It connects your apps and automates boring stuff so you never touch it again. It connects over 6,000 tools, from Google Sheets to Instagram, Notion, Discord, Shopify, and more. A Zap is made up of two things, a trigger and an action. When something happens in one app, then Zapier triggers an action in another app. Example, someone fills out a form, you send an auto email. Someone buys your product, you auto-deliver it instantly. Let's build your first Zap together. Use Case Auto Send a welcome email when someone fills a Google form. Step 1. Create a Google form with name, email, and message fields. Link it to a Google Sheet so the responses land there. Step 2. Go to Zapier and click Create Zap. Set the trigger app as Google Sheets. Trigger event New Spreadsheet Row. Connect your Google account. Choose your sheet. Step 3. Add the action. Select Gmail. Action, send email. Pull the email address from the sheet and write your message. Example, hey, name, thanks for reaching out, I'll reply soon. Step 4, test it. If it works, name it Welcome Flow 1.0 and turn it on. Boom, you just built your first automated system. Here are 3 automation ideas you can monetize immediately. 1. AI lead gen bot to form to lead score to auto DM to CRM. 2. AI content repurposer to YouTube to blog to Twitter to Instagram. 3. Course delivery flow to upload doc to format to auto send to students. Freelancers charge $500 to $3,000 per automation setup, and now you can build them yourself. A Good Zap does 3 things. 1. It replaces repetitive work. 2. It adds consistency to your process. And 3. It scales without your time. You just stacked a real skill. Next up, I'll show you how to connect Zapier to ChatGPT, so your systems don't just do, they think. Subscribe and hit the bell. Download the Zap templates from the description. Let's automate everything.